Hi, I'm Stephanie Lyon, and if you come to InSight, you will learn awesome skills to help you both gain clarity for yourself and help others gain clarity about what they really want in their lives and how to go get it. Some of these skills involve effective communication and building rapport and trust with other people, how to listen effectively, not through your own filter and your own experience, but really asking some powerful questions to understand what somebody else is saying and what they really want out of their lives. I know I've been confused about what I want and how to get it. I think it's kind of a common human dynamic. We try our best, and if we're not quite getting there, sometimes a really powerful conversation is all we need. So in InSight, not only will you learn how to do that with other people, the workshop is very interactive. You'll practice this with somebody else who will help you get clear too.